I just wanted the glow. The one that they promised you on the cover of those magazines. Well, I'm calling it. Pregnancy sucks. Making a human being is really hard. I have no control over my body or my emotions. Scare Bear, I'm sorry. All I want to do is punch you in the face.
Relax, don't do it.
We reserve the deluxe suite.
This is your father.
Husband, he's my husband. A lot of people say that.
I thought you said cute, Marshall.
No, not hot.
Well done, Rosie. Well done.
You said I was cute?
Dude, she's totally doing him.
I knew I was gonna have a rack this gorgeous. I would have gotten knocked up years ago.
We're gonna be a family.
Dudes group. You want Alex ready? Send him to the dudes.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. To the honeys getting money, playing fellas like dummies.
You drop your kid off a changing table?
Stuff just happens, okay? Last week, my kid ate a cigarette.
I caught him playing in the dryer yesterday.
I picked up the wrong baby from daycare.
Found my baby swimming in the toilet. No judging.
Breast is best. Yes.
I was breastfed myself till I was 6, and look how good I turned out.
Look at her. She's wearing 6-inch heels.
Oh, she's like a magical pregnancy unicorn.
What to expect when you're expecting.
I look at houses with Holly, but we're not buying one. Bro, when your wife says you're just looking at houses, you're buying a house.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes, you are.
I'm not buying a house.
Oh, check your receipts.
Welcome to escrow, bitch.